everyone, it's Jared here with Heat Press Nation. Now, you may have asked yourself in the past, is it important for my business to tackle every single holiday throughout the year? Now, in this video, we're gonna talk about this, we're gonna answer that question, but I'm gonna give you a spoiler, probably not. Truth be told, there's lots of different reasons to take different holidays on, and that's what we're gonna be talking about in this video. So stay tuned as I share my top tips. So tip number one, you gotta plan at least 2 months ahead of time in front of each holiday. So for example, if you're gonna be offering something for Mother's Day, you wanna start planning, Mother's Day's in May, you wanna start planning in March. It's also good to research which holidays are gonna be the most trendy in your area. For example, if you're in a resort town, 4th of July, Labor Day, Memorial Day, the big weekends where everybody goes out of town or comes into your town, that might be a really great time for you to capitalize on that. Now, the most popular holidays like Christmas are very safe options. Also, be on the lookout for niche holidays like National Pet Day, National Donut Day. Maybe for National Donut Day, reach out to the local donut shops, see if they want to offer some special merch for their customers, for their supporters, their favorite people. Now, research should include looking for the most popular custom items during the holiday that you want to attack. For example, Christmas, which is kind of the low-hanging fruit here. Custom Christmas ornaments are super popular, but that's not something you sell in the Christmas season. You don't sell your ornaments in December because people's trees go up like first, second week of December. They want ornaments to hang on that tree. No one's giving an ornament as a Christmas present on Christmas Day when there's no more time left to display it, right? So Christmas ornaments, you wanna start selling those like legit day after Halloween. So November 1st, your Christmas ornaments, your custom Christmas ornaments are gonna start getting promoted on your social media, wherever it is that you do business or wherever it is that you interact with your customers. Now, I'm not gonna diss a good discount. Discounts are great, but sometimes they're just not enough to draw in those customers. Now, you know what is worth its weight in gold, which technically doesn't weigh anything, but a quality mock-up of whatever it is that you're gonna be selling works wonders for your promotions. One thing I really don't like is a super generic stock image that says your photo here or whatever it is that it says. I think we did a video not too long ago kind of like giving you different options, but the truth is a super quality mock-up is gonna work great. If possible, take your own photo of an actual item that you've done. Use that for all of your promos. That's gonna work fantastic. Now, there are other options that you do have. One of the best kept secrets in the industry right now is a website called placeit.net. Now, they're not promoting this video, although they should be. Place it, if you wanna send me some cash, go for it, I won't stop you. But really, I'm just sharing this on a more personal note. That's who I use. And man, their mockups are fantastic. They look like real models in real world situations, not just like a stock flat t-shirt, although that has its place, don't get me wrong. But man, you're gonna find that a quality photo, a quality mockup of what you have to offer is gonna work wonders. I've tested it before. In most cases, having good pictures got me more business than offering a percentage discount. That's just my personal experience. You're welcome to test it out for yourself, but I definitely felt like it's something that I had to share in this video. Now, if you've had previous experience with certain holidays that just didn't pan out so well, that's okay. It's smart to stick with what works best throughout the year, and it's okay to hold off on what failed. Maybe an opportunity is gonna pop up in the future where you could improve on your product, where you could change something, where you could make it more profitable. But truth be told, there's so many holidays throughout the year, it's gonna be difficult to successfully attack each and every one of them. Now, it's not impossible. Some people do it very, very well. And so, but give yourself a little bit of grace. For me, it was Valentine's Day. For some reason, I don't know if it was my marketing or if it was just the way I was pushing things. I personally did not do that great on Valentine's Day and this was about 2-3 years ago. Now, other people do amazing on Valentine's Day. They make a killing. So now me, the way I kind of run my side business, I have a day job, by the way, as I know a lot of you guys do too. So I'm okay skipping out on Valentine's Day because I know that Mother's Day and Father's Day are right around the corner. Now, for those of you guys who may have had a failed product happen, sometimes throughout the year, maybe 4th of July tanked for you. So 2 things you could do, you could figure out why it didn't work, compare with other companies that are doing great during 4th of July and see how you can adjust. Or next year, take all that energy and just focus it on the holiday. That does work for you. For me personally, I'm a one-man team. That's my route. You guys are welcome to do whatever works best for you. So to answer the question, should my business go after each and every holiday all year long? The answer is maybe. And I know it sounds like a cop-out, but truth be told, all of your businesses are gonna be different from my business. The businesses that we run are as different and individual, as unique as the people running them. Fact is, I live in Southern California. Some of you guys have awesome custom jacket businesses that would tank here because it's always warm out here, you know? And likewise, you know, I might sell a ton of tank tops. Tank tops in Montana in the winter, no one's buying that, guys. So, you know what? It's good to get notes and compared notes with other businesses, get tips from videos like this one. You gotta pass it all through the filter of what's gonna work best for you. Now, I do wanna encourage you to take notes. It's great to keep detailed track throughout the year of what's gonna work best for you. Keep track of what social media posts are getting the most likes. That's gonna help you shape and guide your content when it comes time to promote again. Now, really quick before we go, I know we've talked a lot about holidays in this video, but truth be told, you're gonna wanna consider special events like conventions, fundraisers, festivals, 5Ks. There's so many different things going on in your local area that somebody across the country isn't gonna be able to do. You have the advantage, so figure out what's going on in your area. There's so many different things under the event umbrella that you can cover, and you're always gonna have the advantage locally as a local provider. Now, if you have any questions at all, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. Do me a favor, like and subscribe to this channel so that way you can see more videos like this, and it also lets us know, hey, if people are watching, we're gonna make more videos like this to help out all the small businesses out there. If you have any questions about the products that maybe you've seen in this video or any of our other videos, check us out at heatpressnation.com. Once again, my name is Jared, and thanks for watching.